The RPM is a great relief tool that massages out larger muscle groups and promotes blood flow. And I'm going to go over some tips and tricks on how to get the most out of your RPM. The power button turns it on and off. These power indicator lights show you what level the RPM is at. These are the hand grips. The roll cage combines percussive massage and rolling massage in one. You can charge the RPM with the USB-C port, and a regular phone charger will charge the RPM in about 2 hours or so. When you want to go hands-free, set the RPM in this hands-free base. Now, I'm going to go over some tips and tricks on how to actually use the RPM. Press and hold the power button for about 2 seconds to turn it on. Then press the power button quickly to select your speed. Now, using the RPM is as simple as rolling out where you want relief. If you're using an older model, you may have to use the trigger on the grip when you're outside of the base. Rolling massage is great for lymphatic drainage. Now, you do this by rolling out your lymph towards your heart. Now, use this hands-free base to easily work out your legs, arms, and feet. If you put more than 60 pounds on the RPM, it'll stop. So if this happens, just turn it off and turn it back on again. To turn it off, press and hold the power button for about 2 seconds.